community, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am talking about very interesting project. So before starting the review, I would request to my all of the new viewers, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So guys, let's start the review now. Here is very interesting project which is Tapu. So before starting the video, I would request, I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here I will explain how you have to join this awesome platform Sapo and how you can stake in there and how you have to earn a lot of profits in upcoming days. So you have to don't skip any part of the video, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join this Sapo platform. What is Sapo? This is the highest paying stake to earn and auto compounding protocol, guys. So here you have to click here to join their Discord server, and you can Sapo 2.0 is the first rebase protocol on all the bases and highest stake to an APY up to and used to renew model with actual utility and interest paid every 50 minutes 96 times daily, and you can reduce its dilution through statically charged rebasing. So here is our basically partners, that is Yahoo Finance, Bonanza and MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance too. So here you can Sapo 2.0 stake to earn protocol, and guys you can monthly stake this about 12 month of APY, and here is all of the about overview of Sapo. And here you can see our audit and white paper too, guys. And here is stake to earn and be rewarded with automatic compound interest paid to every 15 minutes. So you have to don't miss this golden chance, and you have to join. How it works: step 1, you have to simply guys buy token, then you have to stake your token, and in third you can earn your rewards. So what is the staking pools, guys? Here you can see all of the detail of a staking pool. If you used for 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, what is your benefits to you, how much you get your bonuses. Here you can read and can get all upcoming information. So how much you can earn, guys? At the end of the year with 1000 USD invested you can earn. So you have to join this and you have to invite your all of the family and friends on this awesome platform. So here is Chef Moda, that is Sapo high yielding external revenue income fund forever, and is the new and improved Sapo insurance fund from original Sapo. So it pays out rewards to all of the Sapo stakers that by driving protocol revenue by incorporating the use of flash on income on the base of blockchain. So this process is autonomous and is based as a bonus on the top of the fixed APY to all stakers whom get to reap the rewards from staking their Sapo. And here is the guys all of the automatic revenue generation, how you can generate, and this is the Chef bonus allocation too, protocol utility and capital bank, and how you have to generate your income. This is the statically charged rebasing, that's how much you maximum static supply estimate, sustainability, also they're innovative, and how you can fix APY rewards after every 15 minutes. So this is our protocol ecosystem, Sapo tokens, about how you have to earn, how you have to stake, and then how you can get your reward. So you have to join our community on this card, guys. This is our technomics. Here you can see 10% of the tax and 10% sell treasury, which is 4%, and all of about the trading fees. And here you can see 5% of the trading fees are allocated to the Chef rewards. So Fire Pit is also 1%, and you have to join all of our communities like our Telegram, our Twitter, and Discord, Instagram too. So this is our guys official Twitter account. You have to follow this. I am also following this, and you can Here get all of the tutorial video of about Safo on their Twitter account, and here you can get all of the upcoming news about our websites here, and you have to must join this. So here is if we talk about our white paper where you can get all of the upcoming news and information about Safo. So you have to download this, and here you can see our pre-launch sale, our Safo overview, our token, how you can stake and trade fire pit. So here is all over review of about Safo in our white paper is also available, guys. So you have to, if any question and query, you have to join and you can get all of your answers in their white paper. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.